What's going on YouTube? Here we got is a 1975 Caprice. Blacked out, tinted out. Got a 400 small block, everything painted underneath. A little dusty, but y'all see she still clean. AC pumping. Gotta get them lines hooked, but AC still. When I take them off, I'm just gonna have this outer lip. Yep. On them legs on it. I don't know if I'm gonna have it. About to upgrade it. Jet black, new, stay fast black top. See, I think this dude fucked me, y'all, because he's like a homie of a homie, and he's done like 10 transitions for me. I think he fucked me, but like I said, clean. Before Reverse was what was out. And fucking all the drives work. Now, clean. So I feel like black interior, electric, door panels, painted black. She clean. Very clean. Like my little brother just died a week ago, you know what I'm saying? But that don't fucking stop me from doing my work. I do my work every motherfucking day. Do your motherfucking work. Okay? That's all. You got the skirts. But when I do get skirts on, so I'm about to just go get one. Clean 75. And fucking with a warranty. You know what I'm saying? And so that's what I've been thinking. Painted hinges. Yeah, don't chrome pulleys. Don't get me on it though. Chrome pulleys. Shit covered in plates too. Matter of fact, you should just start the fuck over there and I'll shut up and go over there. So you fucking up my vibe. All gold 34s. Amani Forged. Kandy Slime Green. Fade. Yeah, I know he got the speakers all on deck. Speakers everywhere. Gold. Everything gold. Oh, I hope he got a battery in it. We gonna see. One man working on it. He ain't got no battery in it, y'all. Yeah, there ain't no batteries. I got everything disconnected because I got the transmission out. So we can't see too much, but y'all know he clean, everything fresh, even the tips on the exhaust gold. But check out these Amani wheels. I can't even reach it anyways. So we can't even open the back. We good. Look at these wheels. I guess we could try and hook it to something. Look at this. Shit, I ain't even fucking got the window up. So tires like practically new, you see it. Is it what? Tires practically new, you know. I said practically new. Oh, the owner thought he had a crack in it, y'all. It's new. I was letting him know. Shit out of me, he probably knew he don't drive this thing. Y'all see it. Shit out of me, oh, gold. 34s. So when I get this train back in, whatever way I go, y'all see it. Sparkling.
You can still trade the Forex now. Start fucked up.
Yeah, that motherfucker. Look, dog. So I lost 65 million in Bitcoin because, and this is what happened. Yeah, I didn't look, and I didn't look at the 65 million. I'll tell you that because.
There you go. See the speakers. More speakers. Then it's got 6 15s in the back. See some speakers on the high. What's in there? Shit clean. EQ and shit.
But I doubt it'll be tonight, probably tomorrow.
Yeah. So 3 15s right here in highs. And you got 3 more 15s facing the door. Which the battery's out the car, so can't pop it up, but he opened up the shop. just to get my exclusive footage of the all gold Escalade. And y'all see the dunk. Dunk still shining over there. Speakers everywhere. 28th on the Fleetwood. Backs. With skirts on. In the rebuild phase. In the CEO, Colorado.
That must be clipped right now. It's never been clipped before. Yeah. Oh.
Get the bird on. There you go.
Watch, see this. It's got that's like 900 horsepower.
Golly.
Supposedly.
What the fuck?
Yeah, supposedly 900 horsepower. That's a bad motherfucker.
So 900 horsepower and 0 miles?
6.0, yeah.
6.0?
Yep, just fresh build, just
Fresh build, 0 miles.
yeah, fat ass. It's bad.
Nice.
Yeah, just ready for that twin turbo setup. Shit.
He nice.
Bitch got the EMG grill. Got the fucking flying bitch up there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's brand new. Never even driven yet, homie. He's never even been driven. They just out here getting sun riders, bro.
Yeah.
Brand new,
It's
never even
close.
driven. Shit, inside just going into reconstruction.
I see it. There you see. Okay. In this build phase. TV and the steering wheel.
Up to 3/4 inch steel.
Yes.
Yeah, straight 4x8. Got every fucking different tool. So all the different benders and shit for roll cages, all that, all the different cutters, everything that you fucking need to build anything out of steel, handrails, all that.
So I need to bring my dunk here.
The machine in the back, that's like a fucking $120,000 machine. That one is for
That's okay.
handrails. So the majority of
Crazy.
you get handrails. So see this right here?
I'm a whole shop.
It's like back patio on that back there. It's like the front facing. Or this might be a business one for a big ass business or something for a company. But we do mass quantity like handrails. That's going down some of the stairs inside the house. Okay? So we do interior, exterior. Yeah, inside. Or maybe like out on the front porch, whatever. We do inside, outside, aluminum, steel, any kind of design that you can fucking have, like any kind of design for handrails, that's what we do. You know? What? And mass quantity, dog, like just all kind of crazy shit. I would imagine that this is some kind of fucking, this heavy duty, I would say that's gotta be some kind of fucking commercial job somewhere, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Build all kinds of balconies, just regular handrails like that shit. We got the bender, so you can bend anything. Got the other bender over there. We got 2 different ones for roll cages. This machine back here, look, this is $100,000 machine. This is the roll one to get your fucking rolls
the ring bends and all that.
Yeah, for bend. This machine right here, this will cut flat fucking bars, so to cut like up to 1/2 inch steel. It's a shear and a punch, so punch perfect holes.
Okay.
You ain't got to punch holes. I bought that machine. That machine was $7,500. So I bought that. That's where I get part of this company. This machine is about $100,000. This one's brand new. We just got this machine, dog.
$100,000. Ultra lock.
Look, we just got this machine. We ain't even ever used it yet.
What does this one do?
Just learning how to use it. So this one builds aluminum handrails all on its own. You just put your pieces in, it cuts it, fucking welds it, fucking does all that shit. It pops out on the other side of fucking, I guess.
That's this man's office.
T1, 15. That's what's going in. That's what's going in that dog. Fuck it.
Going in the
For
dump.
now, I'm gonna recover it. I'm gonna recover with something different, but I'll put that in the dump. Put that in the
Man's office. Office.
Hey,
Everything.
hello.
Keys. Voodoo Ranger. Real system. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Okay, reflective.